Hey guys, Coach here out at the nursery and checking out this week's plant of the week. This one's going to find its way into brook and pond as well, especially over near our recently planted azalea and rhododendron line, right at the edge of our front yard. This one here, Sunset Grooves Hosta, put out by the Monrovia Company, and I like it because it is gentle variegation rather than in your face, and the fact that it stays kind of low. You're talking about 12, 16 inches in height, but it does spread a couple of feet. So if you wanted to do a great morning sun, afternoon shade border, one that you set back away from the edge of the lawn or something and let it kind of spread to the edge of the lawn, whew, yeah, Sunset Grooves. You can tell this one has been in the shade just a little bit. The more sun this one gets when we get it back to brook and pond, the internal variegation is going to brighten up just a little bit. And that's what we want over by the azalea and rhodies. They're just kind of forest green right now. They're going to be a little different. Anyway, Sunset Grooves Hosta, kick above the normal ones, and very, very cold hardy, down to zone 3 and all the way up to zone 9. Zone 9, you're going to want it to have shade. Where we're at, zone 4, it's going out in full sun all day long. Anyway, you check it out, Sunset Grooves Hosta. Find it at your local garden centers, find it at your mom and pop nurseries, and this one put out by the Monrovia Company. Looking forward to getting this one in the ground. Hey guys, I'll catch you next week. Bye for now.